Did you know Claude can look at your Figma designs and use them to build pixel perfect UIs? Actually, it goes much deeper than just looking. Using Figma's model context protocol tools, Claude can inspect the underlying structure of your files, learn your design system, and with the new Use Figma tool, it can even build designs directly on the canvas for you. Let's take a look. On the left, I have a component library for an app I'm building. And on the right, Claude Code is ready to roll. So let's grab a link to one of these components and ask Claude to inspect it. Now, with the right setup, Claude doesn't just see a picture, it gets the full design context, detailed CSS, spacing variables, metadata, or even a screenshot. I can also ask Claude to create a new design directly on the Figma canvas. And within seconds, I have a new component that fully integrates into my existing design system. Now, all this is possible with MCP, or Model Context Protocol. And for those new to the term, MCP is this standard for how AI agents communicate with apps like Figma, Slack, or Jira. It's essentially a bridge that gives Claude a toolbox for interacting with your Figma designs, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. The first thing you'll need is a Figma plan with dev mode access. If you look at the bottom of your Figma window for the mode switcher, if you can toggle dev mode on, you're good to go. Otherwise, you'll need to upgrade your plan. And once dev mode is enabled, in Claude Code, run the one-line config command to add the Figma MCP server to your global config. This makes Figma available across all your projects. And if you're working with a team, you can also define this in a .mcp.json file within a code repo, which helps if you're using this to develop an app because you can check it into version control. And one more thing to note, there are actually two ways to run Figma's MCP, either directly from the Figma desktop app or using a remote URL hosted by Figma. In this video, we'll use the Figma hosted version as it tends to have the latest tools enabled first. Once that's configured, just type /MCP in Claude Code. It'll prompt you to log into Figma via your browser, and just like that, you're connected. Now that we're linked, let's look at the toolbox Claude Code is actually using to interact with Figma. Understanding these helps you prompt more effectively. Now, first we have the read tools. Get design context is the workhorse. Give it a link and it returns the design as clean code. It defaults to React and Tailwind, but you can ask for any framework. Get variable defs pulls your design tokens, colors, spacing, and typography, ensuring the code Claude writes actually matches your theme. Search Design System lets Claude look through your designs to learn more about what's available. Then there's the Write tools. Use Figma is the newest, and it's a game changer. Claude can create, edit, or delete layers directly on your canvas. Imagine describing a new layout and watching Claude generate the first draft in Figma in just a couple minutes. And if you need a fresh start, Create New File can spin up a new Figma design or FigJam file instantly. And the best part, you rarely need to call these by name. Just tell Claude what you want to achieve and it will pick the right tool for the job. The last thing I'll touch on before we wrap up is Code Connect. Code Connect is Figma's way of directly mapping the components you have in Figma to the components you've implemented in your code base. So if you want to bridge the gap between design and production entirely, keep an eye on the Get Code Connect Suggestions tool. It helps you map Figma components directly to your production code. Now, Code Connect is the holy grail for ensuring the code Claude generates is 100% aligned with your designs. And if you need help setting up Code Connect or just integrating AI workflows into your team's design to code pipeline, it's exactly what we do at Bitovi. As official Figma partners, we help teams bridge the gap between design and engineering using the latest in AI tech. Check the link in the description to learn more about our AI enablement services.